Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can participate in the Sea of Lanterns sentiment event in Heartopia. So it is located at Amethyst Beach, or you can press on the lantern release point tracker, and it's going to basically direct you to that. So I am just going to teleport to the Amethyst Beach here, and I will be right back. Also, I just teleported to the flower field because it's the closest to the Amethyst Beach. It is there, by the way, if you want to know where it is. Okay, so it says light a boxy lantern and it will drift away. DG members have a chance to receive the limited time Astralis response effect. I don't know what it does yet, like the effect, but basically you're just going to press on the button to release a lantern, but you don't have it yet, for instance. You need to select the planet icon again, and basically there's this like store button on the bottom right corner over here, and you're just going to click it, and here's where you can purchase the lanterns. Okay, and you can also send one where you can write down like your wish, but that's for another video. This one's to just release the sea lantern. Just press on it and it says release into like the sea, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.